What's up, everyone? You know how it goes. We got Mr. Handpay at Foxwoods Resort Casino, and he's got a $20,000 buy-in. I think he's with um, All In Slot. I forget his name, Mr. Slot or something. Not NG Slot, but yeah, they're here at Foxwoods. We're gonna go in, play some high limit blackjack. Go over to Mr. Handpay's channel, give him a like, subscribe. Let's hop into you guys. Love you guys, and let's have
The
some
green
fun.
ones. I got $100 in the red chips,
Which is usually my color with the green.
1,900 in black, $8,000 purple, $10,000 in pumpkin, $20,000 buy-in over here. So I've got these three spots. You're gonna have that spot over there. Let's see what we can do.
All right.
So don't get mad at me. I go up and down in hands. I do crazy things sometimes,
I will not complain.
but you can do
It's
the
just
same. I welcome it.
It's a privilege to be here. No, I'm
All
not
right.
going to do anything out of the ordinary, that's for sure.
Well, I want you to. All right, here we go.
That's why it's gambling, because it's fun.
Well, that wouldn't have happened.
It's crazy being someone to go with another person that's betting
$750.
$500 a hand versus $25
That's a
a
lot of
hand.
tens. You know what they say?
Tens follow tens?
Well, when there's no tens left in the deck, that's bad for us.
Doesn't mean we can't have a good beginning.
And you got your match, 17. Do you ever play Match the Dealer?
I do.
Do you play the up and down card?
You know what? I have never played it with the up and down.
Yeah.
And it's very streaky, I find. But some people swear by it. They play more on that than they do on blackjack.
Watch out when you start doing that kind of stuff.
Yeah, excuse me.
Yeah. So, what is the max bet on these? 500 or 1,000? 1,000? Some people do 5,000, right? Or no? Will you guys do that here? No? 1,000 is the max you'll do any? Blackjack. Just kidding, they're all gone. Look, another flush.
15,
19.
14,
Give me a
19.
19 as well.
Just don't have a 20.
Bust. Nice.
Beautiful. The spacer helped you.
Yes, it did.
So are you progressive better? How do you do it?
I do. Actually, I first started learning blackjack from a book at Barnes & Noble on the way down to Atlantic City. So
Oh.
basic strategy.
Do you want to get the other microphone? Fred? We're going to stay right there. No bueno.
If you guys haven't checked out, go to Brandon Barnes' channel. We just did a video before this one about, and they had a
When was this?
happy bust or something like that, where
All right.
they had a side bet for the bus card. I thought that was pretty
That's a
fun.
nice hit.
But a lot of these like match, I don't know, that doesn't do anything for me.
Yeah.
Still up in profit.
20. All right, there's your perfect match.
I should be playing the match then.
Yep. All right, so the die-hard subscribers actually know that my favorite game, blackjack, is actually Spanish 21.
You know, I was surprised that the odds are actually pretty good. I thought it was going to be, more of a carnival game, but it's really not.
It is all about the action in that game.
You don't want me to hit this, right?
You can do whatever you want. You're a hitter. You would hit that?
No, I'm asking you because you do crazy things,
I would
why-
never
and you're
hit
gonna- I know
that.
you're going to split those, so I don't want to mess you up,
So she would have had 18. Said she has 17. We lose one. And you lose that. Not much we could have done there. You were in
Nope.
trouble no matter what. You were doomed
Doomed from the beginning.
from the beginning.
Ha 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 ha.
The 9 against the 3, I like it unless you get a 2. 18. There you go.
Okay.
Crazy like you.
There's nothing wrong with that. Doubling a hard 7 against 5 is a little different, but people do that. I've done that.
Or if Kelly calls out hitting a hard 17.
Oh, don't do the 22 thing. There you go.
That's Spanish 21. That's bad, right?
The winner.
I just played Spanish 21 for like the first time with you. Actually, the last time you were here, or maybe 2 times ago. It was before Sloticon.
Yeah. Look at all those.
Yeah, I guess I should be playing Match the Dealer.
That is nice.
That's nice. Good. Nice 20, 17, 17, 11, 13. Too
That's
many.
exactly how it's supposed to happen.
Oh my gosh, the counting's getting good, or the adding, I should say, not counting.
1,100.
But also, let's
50
give
bucks
a
in case you're
tribute.
wondering.
Nothing wrong with that.
Let's give a tribute to Mr. Handpay's audio mics, how they canceled out the background
Let's see what
sound.
happens. Don't be
Mr.
red.
Handpay always
Don't be
setting the
red.
bar high.
Don't do your thing. Loser.
15, 19. So, this to me, have you guys ever seen like
Editing.
the
There's
Red
no blackjack.
Zone?
I don't think it was that loud before, was it?
Or have you ever seen? I'm trying to think. They actually have it like on Gordon Ramsay, where it's just the kitchen. There's no commentator. Yes, Mr. Handpay is like technically a commentator, but I love the fact that there is no outside sound of like the gambling, the noise,
Yeah, I
all
think
the
they just turned
banter.
it on.
I love it. So smooth.
We will stay on that. 10. There you
Nice.
go.
Let me see if his friend adds a unit. God, what was his name?
Yeah, I don't.
The
I don't
slot
remember
guy.
it.
I think his name's like the slot guy.
It's been a while.
Ooh, we got some action.
That's the only thing I don't like here. You can't split aces for more than twice, more than once.
It's okay.
I should split mine too.
So, nice. Come on.
A
Good.
winner.
Good.
It's a nice win. All right, 1,300 on a single hand. Let's go. I don't like that. Do you use the surrender?
I'd never surrender. I'm just one that I was brought up that way, you know. I don't.
You came out of the womb refusing to surrender.
That's right. I said, no, I want to go back. No.
That's so
I
Merle.
guess I was.
All right, 900.
That was bad.
I was taught, you know, if you're going to surrender, you might as well just write a check and send it to the casino. It's gambling, you know, but the book says I know you should do it sometimes, but for me, it's.
Got another match in here.
12, 10.
And I think that's one thing that's important
13.
for people to know too. You do not have
20?
to stay if you get a 21. It just you're done. Don't keep moving your hands around.
Yeah, you like to wave it off.
Yo, I don't know if you guys are in the
Muscle
southern
memory.
states right now, but man, the mosquitoes are just
21, it's done.
terrible.
You can't keep playing. On 21?
Yeah, but I'm saying some people that actually play that are drunk or whatever.
All right, we got us some action.
Even AC when I play, they make me wave it off.
Huh.
Unless I'm mistaken, but I believe so.
Yeah, because there's nothing you can do on the 21. Yeah. No. Redo. I
No,
wanna redo.
no redo. Redo. Mulligan.
So I guess you just have to stop?
No, we're gonna keep playing.
Okay.
We'll finish this. Yeah. 1,100. Blackjack.
13. Blackjack. Let's see if the slot guy is up after he's done.
Ah, 21. No. Don't. You can't. Don't even do it. One camera. It's not even worth it. Right, Tita?
Regardless, I can get it from here.
Yeah.
We got $1,100.
Yeah. 1,100. Blackjack.
Sweet.
37.50 coming to us.
$15, $20. Nice.
I was counting that money already.
Oh, we got some sucker bets here on the side.
Wait. I put $100 there.
Yeah, I'm going to be changing
Oh, you knew that. Okay, I'm
You
sorry.
yelled, that's why I broke it down, so you're good.
My fault. I was like, oh no.
No worries. No, that's why I went, shoot.
He gets 20 times the odds.
Dude,
he
you
wins.
gotta
Oh, we're
make
back to
sure,
this,
man.
Back to this.
Things
song we
happen.
just heard a little while ago.
Didn't they just play it?
Yeah.
It came back from break.
All right, save one of those for over here. I got a bad feeling about it.
Hey.
You had it both. You had it both ways.
Right there.
That was a nice hand.
You think this is no good?
It's very loud. Just keep talking, I guess. He's trying to get it lower.
Yeah. I
All
always
right,
have
1,100 again.
always have to talk over the loud music.
It's actually better if we're in a regular casino when there's people all over talking.
Right. It's also, you know, the table games is harder than when you film slots, I believe.
That's why also in the high limit when you play sometimes when it's quiet there.
Yeah. All right, 900, single hand.
Whatever we need to do.
Look
See,
at all
now the match
this.
comes.
Should be playing match the
Double.
dealer. We're gonna double our 11 and a 16-26. There we go. Not a main hand again.
That's when you're in a hot, you know, it's going, yeah.
All right, 1,100. So what's? Do you have like a spread when you play? How do you do it?
When I usually play, you know, like, I'm going to hit unless you don't want me to. 'Cause
I
you got
think
a lot
I would
more money.
never stand 8. I would never
Oh,
stand
okay. I'm
8.
just-
Yeah.
again.
You do whatever you want though.
No, but I'm just saying, I feel, you know,
There's that 18, you know, you got to.
lowered my
You-
hand.
You
but I
gotta
can't do
try.
anything.
There you go.
See, but I went from winning on staying to losing, but that's okay.
You don't
Because
stand 8. I
I
think
know.
that's one of the most misplayed hands in blackjack. My opinion.
No, I agree. But I don't really have any, I just play.
And people stay on that. They'll stay on it against a 10. Another blackjack. There you go. They'll stay on it
It
against.
should be your hand getting the blackjack, and I'd just take
No,
I take
I'm good.
the
I'm good
commission
with it.
off of yours.
I'm
and
good
then-
with it. I'm good with it. Look at all the aces.
There we go. He's on a streak.
Once
The
played
surprising thing
blackjack.
too is like they're just sticking on the two
Stand on
hands, so
17.
the
Soft
shoe's
17,
actually
excuse me.
the shoe's really nice right now.
The hand shuffling.
1,600 single hand. Not a 10. Now the 10. Oh, there we go.
Sweet.
Got it,
No.
Should've never said that was good.
Take it easy.
I know, they just keep
Dude,
turning
Slow
louder.
Ride was the OG rock band
I think they know that's a
for Guitar Hero.
YouTube killer.
Yeah.
All right, let's see. That's got to be copyright free. I mean, it's by now it should be.
Might have saved you, but. We're gonna.
$4,000.
We're done after this.
Okay.
It's a good balance.
Nice. Not an 8. Not a 7. Not an 8. Well, I don't know
Well,
what to
that
say about
sucked.
one.
Let's see what happens.
That's
I
okay.
would have hit that 2.
All right, so we're gonna have to count up.
But that's just me.
because
Sometimes I hit those
The
2s.
music is way too loud here, and we're gonna get copyright issues. So we're done.
Story of our lives. They're like, nah, can't do it.
All right, so what do we got here? 10,000, 15,000, 16,000, 17,000, 18, 19, $20,000. So we're up 2,000, $3,175. How are you doing over there?
I got $75 and I am super happy.
That was fun.
It was definitely
All right,
fun.
so we'll continue this session another time when things calm down a little bit.
No worries.
Sounds good?
Sounds good to me.
Been real.
Awesome.
That is awesome, guys. That is what it's all about. And you know what? You have to remember your domination, your domination, your denomination of what you guys want to his point. What's your spread? Like, what are you willing to? If I understood that right, if that's what he meant, are you willing to lose this much? And what is your goal? And I think that's always important. That way, you have your limits. You're not reaching down and going to the ATM machine like DJ Dalt always does. But you know that's what you got to do, man. It's a fun ride. As it's not a slow ride, it's a fun ride. Could be a crazy ride. All right, enough of the puns. I love you guys. We will keep posting. I cannot talk today. I'm gonna end it on that one. Love you guys. See you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye.